my sister, Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, I want to thank you, and I want to thank you in front of my people. One of the reasons why Mzee Okori died today, 4 years later, and by some stroke of fate, on the very day Jacob died, was because of this, I'll call her his child. This one here, Right Honorable Speaker, you stand up and they see you. Right Honorable Speaker, please, you stand up and they see you. This girl here, she's much younger than me, I can afford to call her a girl. This woman here extended Mzee Okori's life for 4 years. I was surprised when Francis was talking about contribution to the burial and what have you, eats and what have you. She stood with the family. She made it possible for the family only to lose the physical presence of Jacob Oulanyah. She is not an Acholi girl. They met with Jacob in Parliament as friends, but she's been truthful, she's been genuine, she's been a true African child. God bless you.